Have you ever pondered the role that tiny bees play in our vast ecosystem? These miniature marvels are the hidden workers of nature, the unsung heroes of our world. They are the diligent pollinators, essential for the survival of our planet's biodiversity. Imagine a bee buzzing from flower to flower, dusted in tiny grains of pollen. As they move, these little grains brush off onto the female parts of other flowers, fertilizing them and allowing them to produce fruit and seeds. This is pollination, a process as old as the flowers themselves, and it's vital for the survival of plants. Without pollination, plants cannot reproduce. Without plants, our food chain collapses. All life on Earth, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, is dependent on this delicate balance. When we think about it, the survival of our ecosystem hinges on the tireless work of these tiny insects. The humble bee, a small creature with a monumental task. Bees are not only honey producers, but also Mother Nature's most industrious gardeners. Their daily toil is an essential part of a process we often take for granted: pollination. As bees move from flower to flower in search of nectar, they unknowingly become the messengers of love for these plants. Carrying pollen from the stamen, the male part of the flower, to the pistil, the female part, bees enable the production of seeds, kickstarting the circle of life for many plants. This is not just about flowers or seeds, though. It's about us too. A significant portion of the food we eat, from fruits to nuts to vegetables, depends on pollination. Without it, these foods would simply not exist. So the next time you enjoy an apple, thank a bee. Because without bees, our plates would look a lot less colorful and nutritious. In the vast landscapes of Mongolia, bees play a pivotal role in the local ecosystem. These industrious little workers are much more than honey producers. They're the unsung heroes of the Mongolian wilderness, vital pollinators for a diverse array of native plants. Some of these plants hold traditional significance, used in age-old remedies and medicinal concoctions. Others form the backbone of local industries, providing raw materials for textiles, dyes, and more. But the importance of bees extends well beyond these wild spaces. They're also key players in Mongolia's agriculture. As they flit from flower to flower, they pollinate crops, ensuring a bountiful harvest season after season. From barley fields to apple orchards, their tireless work keeps the nation's food supply steady and sustainable. Thus, the buzzing bees of Mongolia are not just part of the scenery, they are the guardians of the nation's biodiversity and a crucial link in the chain of life.